in two variables. In this chapter, topic determinant. डिटर्मिनंट्स इन मराठी निश्चयक, त्याला मराठीमध्ये निश्चयक असे म्हणतात. if A, B, C, D are four numbers, or elements. If A, B, C, D are four numbers, then determinant of order 2, determinant of order 2 A, B, C, D is, if A, B, C, D are four numbers, then A, B, C, D is a determinant. बरोबर. That is read as determinant of order 2. Determinant of order 2 A, B, C, D is a determinant. याला निश्चयक असे म्हणतात. So therefore that is A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D are in rows, and A by C, B by D are in column. So therefore the elements A, B, C, D are in rows. Two elements A by C, B by D are in column. So therefore degrees 2. आणि म्हणून त्याला वाचताना काय म्हणायचं, degrees 2, determinant of order 2, that is degrees 2. आणि म्हणून त्याला वाचताना determinant of order 2 अशा प्रकारचं रीड करायचं आहे. That is generally determinant, that is A is equal to determinant of order 2 A, B, C, D. Then here is cross multiplication is equal to AD minus BC. AD minus BC is the value of determinant. That is AD minus BC is the value of determinant. AD minus BC. So therefore Y is called degree of 2. That is A, B, C, D are in rows and A by C, B by D are in column. So therefore each rows 2 elements, each column 2 elements. So therefore read as degree of order 2 is said to be, that is the determinant. Okay? So therefore AD minus BC is the value of determinant. Then find the value of determinant. Find the value of determinant. Generally, here is also generally determinant represented by letter, capital letter A, B, C, D, etc. Generally determinant represented by letter A, B, C, D, etc. So therefore find the value of determinant. Find the value of determinant. Example number 1. Here A is equal to determinant of order 2 5, 3, 7, 9. Now here that is 5 multiplied by 9 minus 3 multiplied by 7 is equal to 5 multiplied by 9 is equal to 45 minus 3 multiplied by 7, that is 21. Here is 5 minus 1, that is 4 here. 4 minus 2, that is 2. 24. So therefore value of A is equal to 24. The value of determinant is the 24. The value of determinant is 24. The value of determinant is 24. Second is also, second example, n is equal to determinant of order 2 -8 -3 to 4. Clear? So therefore that is -8 multiplied by 4 minus in bracket मायनस चिन्हासमोर येणारं पद जर मायनस असेल तर कंसात टाकायचं. दॅट इज -3 multiplied by 2. So therefore -8 multiplied by 4 -32 minus plus 6 is equal to, that is 32 plus 6 minus 32 plus 6. How many? That is 12 to 6, 26 minus 26. So therefore the value of determinant is minus 26. That is third example. Here is also third example. Determinant of order, that is here is any letter, that is b is equal to determinant of order, that is 2 root 3 to 9 3 root 3. Clear? So therefore is equal to 2 root 3 multiplied by 3 root 3 minus 9 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2 root 3 into 3 root 3. 2 कर्ण चिन्ह 3 आहे, 3 कर्ण चिन्ह 3 आहे. पहिले कोएफिशिएंटचा गुणाकार करून टाकायचा. 3 2 6. 2 multiplied by 3 6 multiplied by root 3 multiplied by root 3, that is the same number. So there we get, that is 3, only 3. Root 3 multiplied by root 3, that is 3, minus 9 multiplied by 2, that is 80. 6 multiplied by 3 minus, that is 80, minus 80 minus 80 is equal to 0. The value of determinant, the value of determinant is 0. The value of determinant is 0. अशा प्रकारची उदाहरण आपल्याला त्याचा वापर करून उदाहरण सोडवता येतात. इज सेड टू बी ए डिटर्मिनंट. द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ डिटर्मिनंट, त्याला निश्चयकाची किंमत असे म्हणतात. ठीक आहे. बाय युजिंग डिटर्मिनंट मेथड, that is the Cramer's rule. Cramer's is the name of mathematician. Is the Swiss mathematician. त्या गणित तज्ञाने ती पद्धत शोधून काढली आणि म्हणून त्याच्या नावाने ती पद्धत आहे क्रॅमर्स रूल. डिटर्मिनंट मेथड बाय युजिंग क्रॅमर्स रूल. क्लियर? नाउ इन दिस मेथड a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2 are two linear equation in two variables like as. That is the simultaneous equation as well as linear equation in two variables. So therefore that is a1x plus b1y is equal to c1. याला एक नाव देऊन टाकू आणि a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. That is second. That is here we get the values, that is a1 a2, that is b1 b2, that is c1 c2. अशा प्रकारचे रेशो, अशा प्रकारचे व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला मिळतात. a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2. Now to find the value of x and y, the given equation in linear equation two variables, that is the simultaneous equation. To find the value of x and y by using Cramer's rule, that is steps are as follows. Here first find the value of d. That is the format of determinant method by using Cramer's rule. One this here format. D is equal to determinant of order 2 a1 a2 b1 b2. B is equal to a1 a2 b1 b2. That is here omitted c1 and c2. here is omitted. Here is omitted C1 and C2. बरोबर है, omitted here. Number 2, that is dx, the value of dx is equal to, find the value of dx is equal to, that is here C1 C2, that is B1 B2. Here A1 A2 replaced by A1 upon A2 is replaced by, that is C1 C2. Clear? Then we get the value of dx. Again the value of dy is equal to determinant of order 2, that is A1 A2. Here is C1 C2, that is B1 B2. B1 upon B2 is replaced by, that is C1 C2. C1 C2. We get, that is determinant of value d is equal to A1 A2 B1 B2. Here is omitted C1 C2. dx, the value of dx is equal to determinant of order 2 C1 C2 B1 B2. Here is replaced A1 A2, A1 by A2 replaced by C1 C2. And dy is equal to determinant of order 2 A1 A2 C1 C2 B1 B2 is replaced by C1 C2. Is the format by using Cramer's rule. By, here is written as by using Cramer's rule. By using Cramer's rule. By using Cramer's rule, that is x is equal to dx upon d and y is equal to dy upon d. So we will get, that is the solution xy is equal to, here is value dx upon d, and dy upon d is the solution of the given equation is the format, is the step by using Cramer's rule. Why solve the example? जेव्हा आपण उदाहरण सोडू त्या उदाहरणामध्ये अशा प्रकारच्या किमती काढायच्या. Not through this equation necessary. So therefore only remember it, that is the value of dx, value of dy by using Cramer's rule. X is equal to dx upon d, y is equal to dy upon d. That is the xy is equal to dx upon d, dy upon d is the value of x and y, is the solution of the given equation. हा झाला आपला फॉर्मॅट. या फॉर्मॅटमध्ये किमती जर टाकल्या तर आपल्याला कुठल्याही प्रकारचं उदाहरण सॉल्व्ह करता येईल. यानंतर एक उदाहरण बघू. ठीक आहे. सॉल्व द सायमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन युजिंग, that is 5x plus 3y is equal to minus 11, 2x plus 4y is equal to minus 10. क्रॅमर्स रूलचा वापर करून आपल्याला x आणि y ची किंमत काढायची आहे. फर्स्ट हियर 5x plus 3y is equal to minus 11. Equation number 1. 2x plus 4y is equal to minus 10. That is equation number 2. आपण या अगोदर बघितलेला आहे a1x plus b1y is equal to c1, a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Clear? So find the value of, not necessary, but here that is a is equal to a1 is equal to 5, b1 is equal to 3, c1 is equal to minus 11, and that is a2 is equal to 2, that is b2 is equal to 4, and c2 is equal to minus 10. That is the value of a1, b1, c1, c2, like that. Not here necessary, but write down a1 is equal to 5, b1 is equal to 3, c1 is equal to minus 11, a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to 4, c2 is equal to minus 10. Here find the value of d, dx and dy. Then d is equal to determinant of order 2, that is a1, a2, b1, b2, like that, is equal to, that is a1, how many? 5, a2 2, here b1 3, here b1 b2 4 is equal to, that is here 5 multiplied by 4, minus 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 5 multiplied by 4 means how many? 20 minus 3 multiplied by 2 means 6 is equal to how many? 14. So therefore value of D is equal to 14. Value of D is equal to 14. एक किंमत मिळाली. Now find the value of dx. dx is equal to determinant of order 2, that is replace here a1 a2 by c1 c2, that is here c1 c2, here b1 b2 is equal to c1 c2, that is minus 11, determinant of order 2, that is minus 11 minus 10, that is b1 b2, that is 3 4 clear, is equal to, that is minus 11 multiplied by 4 minus in bracket 3 multiplied by minus 10 is equal to minus 44 minus plus 3 multiplied by 10, that is 30 is equal to minus 14. So therefore value of dx is equal to minus 14. Value of dx is equal to minus 14. Then calculate the value of dy. dy is equal to determinant of order 2, that is here is a1 a2 b1 b2 replaced by c1 c2 is equal to a1 a2 is equal to 5 2 and c1 c2, that is minus 11 minus 10 is equal to, that is 5 multiplied by minus 10 minus in bracket minus 11 multiplied by 2. नेहमी लक्षात ठेवायचं की मायनस चिन्हासमोरील पद कंसात टाकायचं असतं. 5 multiplied by minus 10 minus 11 multiplied by 2 is equal to minus 50 minus plus, that is 22. Here is equal to 50 plus 22 minus 50 plus 22 by means of minus 28. So therefore the value of dy is equal to minus 28. Value of dy is equal to minus 28. अशा प्रकारच्या किमती काढल्या आपण d dx dy. Clear? Is the value of determinant d dx dy. We have to calculate the value of xy. So by using Cramer's rule, here is written as by using Cramer's rule. This is the most important. By using Cramer's rule. Then x is equal to dx upon d is equal to dx. The value of dx is equal to 14. dx is equal to, that is minus 14 divided by value of d 14 is minus plus will be cancelled, that is 14 cancel. Here is remaining 1. X is equal to minus 1 is the value of x. Again y is equal to dy upon d is equal to, that is dy is equal to minus 28 and d is equal to 14. 14 दूनी 28. So therefore is equal to minus 2. Then value of y is equal to minus 2. But we get the solution set of the equation, that is xy is equal to, that is minus 2 minus 1 and minus 2 is the solution of the given equation. Clear? xy is equal to minus 1 minus 2 is the solution of the given equation. हे उत्तर बरोबर आहे किंवा नाही त्याला करून बघायचं. minus 1 minus 2. Here is suppose here 5x plus 3y is equal to minus 11. 5 multiplied by, that is minus 1, plus 3 multiplied by minus 2 is equal to minus 11 minus 5 plus that is 3y. 3. Yeah. 5 minus 5 plus minus in दोन्ही 6 is equal to minus 11 minus इज इक्वल टू -11 LH इज इक्वल टू RHS. याचा अर्थ असा डावी बाजू आणि उजवी बाजू समान येऊन राहिली. याचा अर्थ हे येणारं जे उत्तर आहे हे बरोबर उत्तर आहे. इज द रिक्वायर्ड आन्सर ऑफ द गिवन इक्वेशन.